Idea 1. Dog rental service for dating. I'd create a company that rents out dogs to help people get dates. Everyone knows people pay a lot more attention to someone walking a dog. The customer could choose exactly the type of person they wanted to attract. The dog would be trained to like only that type of person. And just like that, the conversation would start naturally. The company would even provide photos, dog hair, and even dog smell, so everything looked believable. But eventually, she'd ask the obvious question.
So, where's your dog?
Simple. You'd just say the dog had died. Meanwhile, the dog would already be back at the company, ready for the next customer. Idea 2. Personal black boxes. Imagine if every person had a black box, just like airplanes do. It would record everything you see, everything you say, and everything you do. But nobody would be allowed to access those recordings. Only a judge could authorize opening it, and only in very serious cases. Instead of arguing about what happened, you could simply watch the truth. Idea 3. De-alcoholic drinks. Besides alcoholic drinks and non-alcoholic drinks, there would be a third category, de-alcoholic drinks. Unlike the other two, they wouldn't make you drunk, or simply leave you unchanged. Their purpose would be to immediately remove all the effects of alcohol already inside your body. One situation would be when someone was completely drunk at a nightclub, but suddenly remembered they still had to drive home. They would simply order a few de-alcoholic drinks. A few minutes later, they would be completely sober and able to drive home safely. Another very common situation would be just before kissing someone you had met during a night out. Many people regret decisions they made while they were drunk. With this drink, you could temporarily regain complete clarity before making an important decision. Idea 4. Cars that force you to use your turn signal. I'd make every car force you to use your turn signal. Every 30 seconds, you'd have to confirm where you're going. Straight ahead, left, right, or reverse. If you didn't choose one, the engine would immediately shut off. You'd have to restart the car. Idea 5. A workshop for people who have no self-awareness. I'd create a workshop for people who have absolutely no self-awareness. You know, those people who have no idea how they come across. They genuinely think they're behaving normally. Their families would have to take them there because these people would never realize they needed the workshop. Idea 6. Annoying music for traffic offenders. Every time someone broke a traffic rule, instead of getting a fine, their car would automatically play the most annoying song imaginable. And there'd be no way to turn it off. It would keep playing the entire trip. Idea 7. The anti-diving slapper. Whenever a football player pretended to be fouled in order to deceive the referee,
my leg!
The incident would automatically be reviewed by VAR. If the VAR confirmed that the player had clearly simulated the foul, a large security guard would immediately walk onto the pitch. Without saying a single word, the guard would calmly walk up to the player and slap them across the face. The goal wouldn't be to injure anyone, but simply to create a punishment embarrassing enough to permanently put an end to the diving and simulations that frustrate football fans so much. Before long, every football player would stop pretending to be fouled just to avoid this public punishment. Idea 8. The permanent festival. Instead of festivals that only lasted a few days each year, there would be a festival that stayed open permanently. It would operate 24 hours a day, every day of the year, always in the same location. Anyone living nearby could simply decide to have a coffee inside the festival, watch a concert for half an hour, or just take a short walk before heading back home. There would be no need to book time off work or plan a trip, because the festival would simply become part of everyday life. At any moment, you could leave your house, enter the festival, meet some friends, listen to music, and be back home again just a few minutes later. Idea 9. The Surprise Cigar. Every pack of cigarettes would contain one special cigarette. However, that cigarette would contain something extremely unpleasant. Cat's poop.
Ew, what is this?
Since nobody could ever identify which cigarette was the different one, every smoker would constantly wonder whether the next cigarette might be the special one.
Idea 10. The Anti-Scroll Screen Protector. A new type of screen protector would be created that looked almost identical to every other one. The only difference would be its surface. Instead of being completely smooth, it would have a very fine texture, similar to transparent sandpaper. Whenever someone started endlessly swiping through social media, the constant scrolling would gradually wear down the skin on their finger. After a while, their finger would start to hurt, naturally forcing them to stop spending endless hours scrolling through short videos. Idea 11. Perfume ads with real fragrance. Whenever a perfume advertisement appeared, people would automatically be able to smell the fragrance being advertised. Whether it appeared on a television screen, a billboard, or any other digital display, there would be a small system capable of releasing the exact fragrance being advertised. People would no longer have to imagine what a perfume smelled like just by looking at the images and the advertisement. Consumers would be able to genuinely experience the product before deciding whether to buy it. Idea 12. The talking car horn. Instead of a traditional car horn, every car would be equipped with a small voice synthesizer. Whenever the driver pressed the steering wheel, they could choose a message that was appropriate for the situation. Instead of hearing a simple beep, people would hear messages such as,
"The traffic light is green,"
or
"Someone has a flat tire,"
or even,
"Thank you for letting me through."
Idea 13. The elevator that makes you say hello. Every elevator would be equipped with an automatic voice recognition system. Whenever at least 2 people were inside the elevator, the system would automatically become active. If nobody said, "Good morning," "Good afternoon," or "Good evening," the elevator simply wouldn't start moving. A calm voice would then remind them, "Before starting the journey, please greet the other passengers."
Good morning.
Only after someone finally broke the silence would the elevator resume operating normally. Idea 14. The Undo Embarrassment button. Whenever someone accidentally said something deeply embarrassing, they would have a few seconds to press a small button. As soon as they pressed it, everyone present would instantly forget the last sentence they had just heard. The conversation would simply continue as normal, as though that awkward moment had never happened. Do you have any idiotic idea? Tell me in the comments.
Super epi fun song, super epi fun song, super epi super epi super epi fun song, super epi super epi super epi fun song, fun 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 fun, super epi fun song, super epi fun song, fun 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 fun, super epi fun song,